headed to East Earl to get to Shady Maple. It is in Lancaster County. And I'll tell you one thing, half of the fun is getting here. You're going to see a lot of Amish people, a lot of Amish buggies on the way. This place is the largest buffet in the United States. It has everything. It's Pennsylvania Dutch food. And you'll see fruit stands and Amish market stands everywhere. And this is just a fun fact I just think is great. Shady Maple started as a little roadside stand. It was underneath a maple tree. All right, we're on our way to Shady Maple. I can't wait to get there because I'm starving and my dinner is going to be free. She's got to pay. And I'll get into that a little bit later and explain how you can get a free dinner there. Now, one of my goals in this video is to make you hungry. You got to come here hungry because there is so much stuff on this buffet. 200 feet long. All right, we made it to the entrance. This is how you get in. I'm gonna show you a complete tour of this place. The Shady Maple Smorgasbord building is approximately 110,000 square feet with 2 levels. This is an 11-acre property. Down here's where they have their Amish grocery store, and you gotta see in this, but this video is mainly about the buffet. This is the main entrance, but do you see all these different lines to get up there? That just goes to show you how big this is. They even got a customer service place here. Usually they got carry out stuff. This is where you would get your carry out meals if you want to take something home. And you will see these 3D pictures everywhere. I just love the detail inside this place. Now, what I wanted to say here about this place is when you come here on your birthday, your dinner is free. Today is my birthday. My wife's got to pay for hers, though.
Any birthdays today?
Yep, I'm 29. Do you believe it?
And I'm 18.
There's another 3D of the horses. This is the guy that made these. Abner Zook. So there's multiple lines here, as you can see, but look at all the different rooms that they got to the side. This is when you know they're busy. When you see these full. Here we go. I'm so hungry. This is the main dining area. They got drinks over to the right. They got grills. We're going to show you through this place. Stop. You got to wait to get seated here. All right, so we are at the beginning of this buffet. This thing is 200 feet long. Meatballs, and let me tell you, fried chicken is amazing here. There's your pit beef, which is really good. The cheese, sauerkraut. This is Pennsylvania Dutch food. Look at those big chicken tenders over there. Oh, here's some of the vegetables. Cabbage. Is that Pennsylvania Dutch or what? Vegetables, broccoli. Some of the best Brussels sprouts you'll have. That's a soup station right there. Here's the salad bar. Look at all these different things they got. It's a beautiful salad bar too. Incredible. Baked potato bar. This looks like a salsa bar. It says Mediterranean bowl. Look at all this salmon. It's salmon night, and they got some of the best. Look at that tray back there. That is a tray of fish there. Look at all these desserts to choose from. And they got pudding. Oh my God, that pumpkin roll is calling my name. And when you go, you make sure you walk all the way down this thing because there's different things at each end. Oh, this looks good. Shrimp scampi. There's fried shrimp, chicken wings. It looks like chicken parmesan. Oh, they got some pizza here. Now, as we walk through some of this seating area, there is enough seating for 1,200 people. If you open up the conference centers and the convention space, there's enough for 2,000 people. You come here, you will see bus loads in the parking lot. Oh my God, this is new. Milkshakes, extra thick. Look at the steaks growing up and burgers. That smells really good, buddy. All right, this is a bread bar. Right here, they got, what is that, cornbread? You got your rolls, butter over here. Now look at this stuff, gourmet apple and raspberry bread. And you gotta get it with apple butter in Lancaster County. Look at this pile of fish he's got going. What is that?
Cajun catfish.
Catfish, okay. And here's another grill where they're grilling just regular fish on the grill. Oh my God, looks like, I see bread. There's the ham, and that looks like, what is that? Smoked beef brisket. That looks really good.
Yeah, it's an all-night deal.
All right, let's see what my wife got. What all did you get? Do you even know?
These are cheese sticks, crab cake, corn balls, meatball, pulled pork, beets, red beet egg, broccoli, lima beans, pork and sauerkraut, and homemade rolls.
Oh my gosh. And here's round one. We got brisket, salmon, chicken, and fried shrimp, and a meatball. If you've never had shoe fly pie, you've got to try it, but make sure you're watching all my Lancaster videos, because I got a video in the place called Dutch Haven that has amazing shoe fly pie. This was excellent, but that one is over the top. There's the ballroom up here, more seating area. I will tell you one thing, this place really is beautiful. Next to the milkshakes, they got a great coffee station. Fresh chilled cream here with cappuccino. And they got these ice cream stations all over. And make sure you're checking each one because each one's got different flavors. There's the steak cooking up.
Ready for you, little man. You ready for that?
And they'll even make you a fresh cheeseburger here. But look what they got. Burger toppings. Look at all these things. All right, this is new. I don't remember these. Sugar-free slushies. Oh, and they got icy. But they got drink stations all over the place. Here's your chocolate milks. Now, one thing they do have is they have featured nights. Like at certain nights, they have a steak night. They have a seafood night. They have a prime rib night, a wings and rib night. There are so many different things throughout the week. So make sure you're checking out their website. I'll put a link here and in the description. Look at the detail on this three-dimensional picture. All right, let's just take a gander down in the gift store. I showed you this in one of my Lancaster videos, but this was about the food today. But let's just show you what this gift store kind of looks like real quickly. I'll just show you a 360 here. You can see how big this place is. Racks and racks of stuff. Oh my God, look at these miniature instruments. That is so cool. I've never seen anything like that before. Now, I'm not kidding you. This place is huge. You could spend 2 days down here. Look at all these clocks. This is where the good stuff is. This is all the Amish furniture you can buy in this place. You ain't gonna find anything built better than Pennsylvania, Lancaster County Amish furniture. Look at all these Disney characters. Mickey, I see Goofy down in here. All kinds of princesses in this cabinet. Now, if you want to come to see a market, come into this Lancaster County Shady Maple Market. This place is huge. So here they got some eateries, but check this market out. Is this place unbelievable? If you're coming to the buffet, we do a lot of camping in Lancaster. And let me tell you, you want to come up here and get some of your food for camping, this place is fantastic. Lots of fresh produce. When it's in season, you see all these nuts, but what I got my attention back here is all this candy. If you got a sweet tooth and you didn't get enough over at the smorgasbord, come get some of this. Bulk candy and nuts. One thing this place is famous for, this market, is their meat, because a lot of it is made right here, butchered right here. I'll tell you one thing, this is only some of the cheese. There's a whole nother area of cheese over here. There's another aisle of cheese. You're a cheese person, come over here. Who knows what a whoopie pie is? Because they got all kinds. There's the bakery section, but my wife found the sweets. This is the bakery section. Of course you're gonna find bread in Lancaster County. All right, this butcher shop goes the whole way around this place. I swear to God, it's got everything butcher related you could want.
They have buffalo? Look,
Buffalo chicken.
no, buffalo. Buffalo meat.
Look at all these different kinds of salads. Yeah, this thing just goes on, I swear, as long as that buffet just did. 200 feet. Oh my goodness. It just doesn't stop. Do you see all this, hon? All right, we are stuffed. What you get, hon?
2 giant lobster tails.
Well, we can't eat it tonight.
No.
No, because we're
Tomorrow.
stuffed. But I hope you like this video. That's a wrap. And we wrapped it up here at the market that's right next to Shady Maple Smorgasbord. You're coming up here, swing by over here because they got some great deals on their seafoods and meats. Just when I think I'm done, I come to the jellies and sauces. Look at all these sauces and jellies.